Oh, it's 8:43, and pretty much no luck. We seen about 4 squirrels, but they were running off in the trees and couldn't get them. But hopefully we can get some. Cause I want to eat some squirrel.
Just in my backyard. Look for squirrel, bird, anything. Anything we can find, anything will be good. Besides robins.
That's the only thing you really can't shoot.
Right.
But hopefully we can find something.
Do my homemade duck call.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I hear him, but I don't see him. Oh, I see one, I see one. Damn it, it flew away.
God damn it. Fucking killing your fucking nerves. I'm tired of shit and tired of shit. You nigger ducks.
It's like him in this tree right here. That tree right there. It's like I hear him in that tree right there too. That tree. You know. Oh, I think I see it. Nope, I didn't see it. It's just a leaf. Fuck.
Shit.
You know, just in the back, just in the backwoods
They
of Wisconsin.
And we're still dry as hell. Shit's getting boring. Might take me